Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a soft cookie recipe, and this is because my oldest daughter just got braces. So she couldn't eat anything hard or crunchy or very, very sticky because that will get stuck in her braces and possibly even break the brackets, which we don't want. So a braces friendly cookie recipe. This is a double chocolate cookie. So let's get started. We're starting off with our ingredients. We need half a cup or 125 grams of butter, 1 egg, half a teaspoon baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, half a cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, 1/3 cup or 67 grams of sugar, 1/3 cup or 42 grams of baking cocoa, 1 cup or 125 grams of flour, 3/4 cup or 100 grams of chocolate chips, any kind you like. I'm actually using caramel chips today. Start out creaming the butter. Cream sugars into the butter. Beat in the egg. Add the baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cocoa. Add in flour. Fold in chocolate chips. Spoon onto a lined baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 12 minutes. These cookies are lovely and soft. With white chocolate chips, they would basically be identical to the cookies you buy at Starbucks or Subway. Very chocolatey and very braces friendly. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.